Hi YouTube! Today I'm doing a review on an all-natural lip balm by Alba Botanica. It's Alba Botanica Natural Hawaiian Lip Balm. It looks like this. I just got this yesterday and I'm already in love with it. It's an all-natural way to moisturize your lips, especially good for fall and winter when chapped lip season starts. And that's mainly why I got it, because I usually get chapstick every fall and winter to prevent my lips from cracking and breaking and getting all chapped. Well, this year I wanted to be completely natural with my chapstick lip balm selection, so I went for Alba. They're natural, they use natural ingredients, and some of the ingredients in here are also certified organic, which is really nice. They're 100% vegetarian, in case you're concerned about that. And another nice thing is that they don't do any animal testing, so no animals are harmed in the making of the product. They have new look on here, so I guess they redid their packaging. It's definitely cute, and when you look at the actual product and apply it, you can see it's just a clear lip balm. It's not a tinted one, which is fine with me. But if you're looking for something tinted, this doesn't have any color to it. I like it because not only does it have pure ingredients, but it really does moisturize well and it stays on for a really long time. And I tried a different natural lip balm before this that was kind of waxy and a little bit weird. Parts of the lip balm would just come off and there would be chunks on my lip. So it was kind of an odd consistency, but this lip balm is a very nice smooth consistency. There's no chunks or anything. It's just a nice stick product, and it smooths on very well. So this one is a keeper. I'll probably be getting this every time now as long as they make it. I love the scent as well. It's coconut scented, so it has a fresh coconut smell. It's not overwhelming. It's just a hint of coconut. So I like that a lot. It's really, really nice. Some of the ingredients are coconut oil, beeswax, aloe leaf extract, and what else we got in here? Rosemary leaf extract, sunflower seed wax, soybean oil, and there's some more on there too. So good ingredients. Net weight 4.2 grams, and it was $2.97. And I'm gonna use it like every day in the fall and winter, and I often even use it in spring and summer too. Even though my lips don't get chapped and I don't use it quite as much, I still like to put this on to moisturize, and I like to smooth out my lips with some of this before putting on lipstick. So I hope that review helped you. If you're looking for an all-natural lip balm, I definitely suggest this Alba Botanica product.